Shabbat Shalom, Mishpaka. Shabbat Shalom. This is Watchman Yirmiyahu, Qadashayam of Yasharal. Gonna try to take a little walk out here. It's beautiful. You hear the birds? Let me flip this camera around. See those mountains up there? We were out here last night, and the moon, she was full, adorned in her light. That would be the second full moon. The second full moon. I'm sorry, the first full moon of the second month. I'm gonna sound a shofar and steam to Yahuah, drive away these wicked Ruach Hakodesh. Hallelujah. Ramamu. Yahusha Hamshiach. Our deliverer. Our anointed one. All esteem to our King. Let me just set my staff down for a second. Alright, let me get my staff and walk over there, waiting for my Yahusha to come out so we can enjoy a nice walk on this Shabbat. It's beautiful out here. There's a slight sprinkling of rain coming down, but hallelujah. Hallelujah that we're actually able to come out here and enjoy it. It's not too wet. Not too wet. I know that not many people will even see that I'm live on here, but I might save this and upload it somewhere. Just want to know how everybody's doing. I put a video out yesterday on coveting, and I know that it's profitable for you, Mishpaka. Profitable for me. Profitable for all of us, because coveting is a really huge issue. You know, it leads to all kinds of transgressions. Hey, how you doing, beautiful? Hi. Hi. Hi, how you doing? Want some grass? Let me see what I can find for you, okay? Give him a little bit of grass. You guys don't fight, okay? Even the horses want to cut it. How you doing, beautiful? Hi. Hi. This grass is kind of short over here, you guys, so I'm trying. I'm trying to get you some now, because I already got your friend there, son. No, you don't like that part. There you go. Come here, it's okay. Yeah. How you doing, huh? You're like, I'm fine, just give me food. I don't want you to touch me. Come down here. Come on. You coming? Come on. Whoa, look at all this tall grass. Yeah. This is kind of like, it's your turn, I know. Come on, you're first. There you go, beautiful. Yeah. I'll grab your chin, because I want to be able to touch you too, you know. Abba loves you. Abba loves you. Yeah. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Probably can't see on the camera, a little bird there. Yeah. Yeah. All right. Gotta have you a stick like this. You gotta have you a stick like this, watchman, elder. If you're able to see this, Masha, Yahudah. It's really beautiful out here. Really restful. May Yah recharge his people in his presence. We need it. It's a jungle out there in the world. The Matrix. I really can't be myself. You can't be yourself. We can't say whatever it is that we want to say. That's my hound dog. Yes, Tiger. Tiger. Go for a walk? Wanna go for a walk? Need to stay close down here so that when mommy comes off, we're not going without her. Shalom Mishpaka. Shalom Mishpaka. Shalom Mishpaka. Yahuah reigns. Yahusha reigns. Our Yeshua is Yahuah Mishpaka. I wonder if I can capture that video or video of that mountain way down there. Cloud cover. We're into the spring. Quite a bit now. Quite a bit into the spring now, and we had, I think it was even last weekend, there's still a little bit of snow happening on top of the mountains. And because the moon's she was full last night, but she was also pretty full the night before and the night before that, and so the temperature is greatly affected and dropping because of that. Alright, family, I'm gonna pop off of here for now, but I hope to be on later. Probably be live on TikTok, which, upload to YouTube and share on the Facebook group. But my beautiful wife has some things that she wants to say, and so as her cover, I want to give her opportunity to speak, because it is not Kadash for a woman to go out, speak authoritatively on her own, on a soapbox, on a public platform. There's a couple women here recently that I voiced this to, and they say, oh, men just use that as an excuse to silence us because they don't want to hear what we have to say. It's got nothing to do with that. It's trying to obey what the Father's saying. Try to understand that there is a difference between men and women, and the different roles. And, even me as a husband, I don't want my wife to get caught up in controversy, strife, tension, especially with another man. I can imagine how much more so a father would want his daughter to be protected. So that's what I'm seeking to do, is cover and protect my wife. And some of these other women that are doing this, they're not going to stop unless they get convicted by Yah, because they take great pleasure in it, enjoying it. And it's part of the curse that was given to the women, that they're going to seek to be over men. It's a hard thing for people to hear in this day and age, because we're so far away from the truth. We're so far away from Torah. But, may the Father bring them a cover, because I know that they're not married. And if they continue with that spirit, a Qadash man, a son of Yah, is not going to want to be their husband either. Alright. Shalom, family.